Welcome students. Today we study about complementary angles. Students, all of you listen here. This is the angle ABD. Its measure is 20 degree. Another one angle DBC. Its measure is 70 degree. Figure A, it is angle ABD, and figure B, it is angle DBC. Now join these two angles such that the ray BD coincide with the ray BD. The ray BD of angle ABD coincide with the ray BD of angle DBC. When you join these two angles in such manner, then we got the angle ABC. Now sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Similarly, students, look at this second figure. In this second diagram, figure A represents angle XYP. Its measure is 40 degree, and similarly figure B is angle PYZ. Its measure is 50 degree. Join these two angles such that YP ray of angle XYP coincide with YP ray of angle PYZ. When we join these two in this manner, we get angle XYZ. Sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Similarly, consider in the figure 3. In this figure, angle A is angle PQS. Its measure is 60 degree. Similarly, in the figure B, angle SQR is 30 degree. By joining these two angles such that the ray QS of angle PQS coincide with the ray QS of angle SQR. So when we join these two angles in this manner, we get angle PQR. Take the sum of these two angles, 60 degree plus 30 degree. Sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Now it is the angle PQR. Its measure is now 90 degree. So this is the angle PQR. So here in the first case, 20 degree and 70 degree, sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore 20 degree and 70 degree, these two angles are said to be complementary angles. Similarly, in the second case, 40 degree angle with 40 degree and another angle with 50 degree, sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore now these two angles are complementary angles to each other. Similarly, in case 3, first angle is 60 degree, second angle is 30 degree. Sum of these two angles, it is 90 degree. Therefore these two angles are said to be complementary angles. Now complementary angles means if sum of measures of any two angles is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles. Now 20 degree angle and 70 degree angle, their sum is 90 degree angle. Therefore 20 degree angle is the complementary angle of 70 degree and 70 degree angle is the complementary angle of 20 degree. Similarly, sum of 40 degree and 50 degree. Sum of these two angles is, once again it is 90 degree. Therefore, angle with the measure 40 degree is the complementary angle of 50 degree, and 50 degree is the complementary angle of 40 degree. Similarly, here we have two angles, one angle is 60 degree, another angle is 30 degree. Sum of these two angles is also, now it is 90 degree. Therefore, 60 degree angle is complementary angle of 30 degree, and 30 degree angle is the complementary angle of 60 degree, because sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore, complementary angles means if sum of any two angles is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles. Students, here we have two angles, first one 30 degree, second one 60 degree. Now, find the sum of these two angles. Sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore, these two angles are known as complementary angles. Therefore, 30 degree angle is the complementary angle of 60 degree, and 60 degree angle is the complementary angle of 30 degree. Now, similarly consider the two angles given in figure 3 and 4. Figure 3, it is having 35 degree, and figure 4, it is having angle 65 degree. Now, sum of these two angles is, it is not 90 degree, it is more than 90 degree. Therefore, now these two angles are not the complementary angles, because now sum of these two angles is not 90 degree. So, these two angles are not the complementary angles. Similarly, students, here we have two angles, one angle 70 degree, another angle 20 degree. Now, by adding these two angles, sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore, these two angles are said to be complementary angles. That is, 70 degree angle is the complementary angle of 20 degree, and 20 degree angle is the complementary angle of 70 degree. But see here, this is in the second figure, this is one angle, its measure is 75 degree, and this is another angle, its measure is 25 degree. Now, take the sum of these two angles, 75 degree plus 25 degree. Now, sum of these two angles is 100 degree. Therefore, these two angles are not the complementary angles, because when we say the complementary angles, their sum should be 90 degree. It should not be less than 90 degree, and it should not be greater than 90 degree. Therefore, now these two angles are not the complementary angles. Now, similarly, see here in figure 3, this angle is 48 degree and this angle is 52 degree. Now, when we take the sum of these two angles, it is 100 degree. Therefore, these two angles are not the complementary angles. Now, similarly, come to the figure number 4. Here, one angle is 35 degree and another angle is 55 degree. Take the sum, 55 plus 35, sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore, now these two angles are complementary angles. Therefore, complementary angle of 35 degree angle is 55 degree, and complementary angle of 55 degree is 35 degree, because now sum of these two angles is 90 degree. So, if sum of measures of any two angles is 90 degree, then they are called the complementary angles. Similar students, read the next question. What is the measure of complement of each of the following angles? Number 1, 45 degree, second one 65 degree, third one 41 degree, fourth one 54 degree. See here, how to find the complement of angle 45 degree. So, complement means their sum should be 90 degree. Now, one angle is given 45 degree. To get the complement of this angle, subtract this angle in 90 degree, that is 90 degree minus 45 degree. Answer is 45 degree. Therefore, complement of angle 45 degree is 45 degree. What is complementary angle? Answer: when the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then those angles are called complementary angles. Next question: what is the measure of the complement of number A 45 degree? See how to solve answer for this. Answer: the measure of complement of 45 degree is equals to 90 degree minus 45 degree, that is equals to 45 degree. Next question: 65 degree. The measure of complement of 65 degree is 90 degree minus 65 degree, that is equals to 25 degree. Next, 41 degree. The measure of complement of the 41 degree is equals to 90 degree minus 41 degree, that is equals to 49 degree. Next question number D 54 degree. The measure of complement of 54 degree is equals to 90 degree minus 54 degree. 90 degree minus 54 degree, that is equals to 36 degree.